So who did it then? Whose fault is it? Well, it was an inside job. I don't. You're talking in riddles. Well, what does it mean? It means we were set up to fail. When? By who? What is this, some more conspiracy S? You ever see a baby, like a newborn baby, brand new, touched by God, the universe opens up, brand new human being on the planet. Yeah, so you see what happens when you put a baby on the grass, on dirt, on nature, and sand, by a river? What are you getting at? Have you seen it? Yeah, I seen it. Well, what do? Nothing. They're babies. They roll around. And what happens when they touch? Are they naked? No, they're usually like covered in baby clothes and a blanket, and so they don't. What happens when their hand touches the earth, the dirt, the sand, the mud, the grass? They usually try to eat it. Yeah, and then what do the parents do? No. Wait, hold on. Are you telling me you think it's okay for babies to eat dirt with worms and pesticides and grass with, wait, so you're telling me you think it's okay not to? Stop talking in riddles. Stop talking. What's an inside job? Why were we set up to fail? A kid who eats grass is not going to die. They're exploring the world. They're tasting grass, and they're going to taste that it's not edible, and they're going to spit it out. If they taste putrid, toxic waste mud, they're going to spit it out. They're not going to they're not going to go and eat it. But they're little journeymen. They've started their soul saga. They're searching for their happiness. They're searching. So you're saying it starts from the beginning. Yes. From the very beginning. Stuck into systems. Blind, tricked. What is the alternative? You can't just sit here and criticize systems. Your parents, and then their parents, and their parents before them, generational trauma, blah, blah, blah. I'm sorry if I'm not offering something. It's starting now. Right here, right now, having this conversation. You listening. All I'm picking up is that you said I should let babies eat grass and sand. From the day you were born, you were not free. From the day you were born, someone wrapped you up tight. You couldn't move your arms for your own safety. You were not free to explore. You were not free to touch things to your skin. You were bathed and scrubbed. And you just heard the word no. No to this, no to that. You ever think about what that would be like to taste dirt in your mouth? I'm not a scientist. I'm just asking a question. I don't study these things. What that's like, don't drink that, don't drink that. I don't know. Maybe there's some nutrients in sand and dirt and grass, and you're not going to eat it, but maybe there's something in there, something invisible that goes to your stomach that helps you be closer to nature. What's that like to hear more yes than no? What are you getting at, Dave? What are you getting at? I don't know. I'm just talking out loud. Is that okay? Am I free to do that? Yes. See, there you go. We just did it right now. Are you going to tell me to go outside right now and eat grass? You don't have to eat it. Just chew on it. See what it tastes like and then spit it out. They have it at Jamba Juice. It's called wheatgrass. What about mud? Google people who eat clay. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm just saying, just for today, maybe not the rest of your life, just for today. You know, I think they made a Jim Carrey movie about it. Yes, man. But just for today. Not the Jim Carrey movie, not forever. Just for today. Yes to everything. When a thought comes up, when it's time to make a yes or no decision in your mind, just for today, the answer is yes every time. Yes. Yes. You don't know what you don't know. Give yourself permission today. The answer is yes.